Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check the rainbow weather schedule in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, if you want to check the upcoming weather, you need to go to the watch menu right here. And then you're going to click on this icon. Alright, and now it's sunny. And you can check the upcoming weather right here. And for the rainbow weather, it will come on Sunday at 6 a.m. and also for a Saturday 6 a.m. as well. And okay, by checking the schedule on the weather forecast on your watch menu, you won't miss the weather anymore, especially the rainbow weather, because in this weather you will be able to get Rainbow Bouquet. Okay guys, and that's how we can check the rainbow weather schedule in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.